Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. We had two options to choose from. One was Greek and one was Egyptian. We chose Greek and this is the design line which we are about to make. So grab your popcorns and let's get started. It's silk charmeuse, dark green color net, chiffon georgette. Apart from the fabric, I got these beautiful trims and laces. And we have completed the draped bodice with pleats on the top and gathers at the bottom, and this is how it looks like. We're gonna take the marking and take it off. And you guys, this is the overskirt that I draped off camera. Let's sit on the floor because we are about to cut the fabric. And now we're cutting the skirt pieces for in the front and for the back, so it's gonna be like total of 8 pieces together. And here I'm marking 2 cm seam allowance so that later on it will be easier for me to sew them together. After marking the seam allowance, now I'm pinning the fabric so that it doesn't move. So basically I was tired cutting the pieces and now this pin is annoying me. So finally I got to pick the pin, and I prefer using a pencil instead of a chalk to mark the lines, and now we're going to join the pieces.
Until now, everyone that knew held at rich crafts.
Now the machine is ready and we're going to start the process of sewing. Here we have 4 pieces of center front, and now it's the night time. So I'm super tired. I'm going to do the rest of the things tomorrow. So see ya. Chiffon georgette is very hard to cut, especially like without pins, so you have to pin it all the way and then cut. So honestly you guys, this was one of the challenges that I came across while sewing, and it looks so easy but it's super difficult. So we are having some juice because I'm literally sweating, and we are halfway through, not even halfway. We have a lot of work to do. Because now we are about to have our lunch.
Like an email or a Google Docs sort of form that I would read the link.
So guys, that's our skirt and this is our bodice. We need to gather it up right here, and then we're going to join the 2 panels together and we'll show you. So today is 11th of June and I have to submit this dress on 15th of June, which is 3 days from now, and I'm super exhausted because this dress is taking forever. So I've laid this skirt piece and the lining piece together in order to get the shape out of it. Next step is to attach this flounce to the main skirt. So you guys, I've placed my corset on the mannequin, and now we have this much piece left where the hooks or the buttons are gonna come. So we're gonna trim that off. Now you guys, I need to attach the boning channels to this corset. So I'm still working, but look at this. Oh my god, they're so cute. I'm finally done with the boning and the corset, and we're just going to finish the edges of it. So I'm not a professional by any means, but I think this dress is quite nice so far. So I was short on time and my mother helped me in embellishing every piece, as you can see, and we had to make the headgear as well, which I'm going to show you. So this is the pretty headgear. So this is the final look of my dress. I hope you like it and do subscribe.